Welcome back, everybody. Thank you guys already. Such an incredible turnout from the first video of the Galactic Kitchen. And now we're back for episode 2, baby. And we're about to make one of my all-time favorites. My mom got me hooked on it, and I have continued to cook it for quite some time. We're making some chicken and dumpling, baby. That's right. Pull out your grandma's recipe, put on your apron. We're about to go to work right now. So let's take a look at some of the things we're gonna need, because let me tell you, this is gonna be one of your most favorite things that you've had in a long time. Obviously, with chicken and dumplings, what do you need? You need chicken. All right, let's go get those chicken. Just 2 chicken breasts is usually all we do. If it's a bigger family, go ahead and get 3 or 4. You're not gonna hurt anything, I promise you that. Get some carrots along with it. We have just a little bit of garlic. We're gonna cut up the onion. Obviously, biscuits. So here's the thing with biscuits, right? A lot of times what you will have you do is pinch it off, put it in the flour, and then put it in. Or, truthfully, you can just pinch it off and be good to go. Any kind will do. I always do the flaky, kind of the jumbo biscuits. It'll be perfectly fine. 2 cans of cream and chicken and 2 cans of cream and mushroom. You're gonna use some chicken broth, salt and pepper here, and of course we'll add a little bit more onion powder. So chat, listen to me, you're not gonna wanna miss this. Get your pen and paper out. Put on your glasses if you need them, because I'm about to show you the secret of life. Be right back. Welcome back, everybody. It is time to add some of the ingredients into that big old pot, so that while the chicken is boiling, we can get our flavor started, and then obviously that's what we're here for, right? So I've already added 1 can of cream and chicken and 1 can of cream and mushroom. Let's go in here and make that happen as well. So again, while your chicken is boiling, you want to go ahead and have the cream and chicken and cream and mushroom kind of just, kind of getting a little soft, getting things to go in together. So you're going to take those, add those in, which we're doing now. And make sure you have a big enough pot, right? Because you'll be surprised how big this will get once you add everything. So there's our cream and chicken, here's our cream and mushroom. Bingo, bango, exactly what we want. So chat, this used to be one of my favorite recipes. My mom used to make this once in a blue moon. Thanks, Mom. But it used to be one of my favorites. And let me tell you, the secret part of this is really going to be your dumplings, right? Yes, they are just biscuits, just dough, put them in there. Some of the things you can do to really bring out that flavor, by the way, is that you can add even a small piece of butter into it, right? You can add butter, and that will really help out with that flavor. All right, so we're taking the whole thing of chicken stock right here, right? And we're gonna pour right in there. There we are. So we got the chicken stock in there, and then we're also gonna add, for more flavor, we're gonna add just kind of like a chicken cube, right? Just a little chicken cube to give that next little kick there. You'll add your garlic in as well. So roughly probably about 2 tablespoons worth of garlic. Just put that in there as well. And now we're gonna stir it up. All right, so again, it's gonna look a little clumpy and so forth. This is why you wanna do it early while the chicken is boiling, and then we're gonna pull the chicken, cut it up, and get this cooking. Now, probably after about 3 to 5 minutes, you're gonna wanna add the onions in, which we're gonna be back and do so. And we'll kind of talk through it some more. So chat, hang in there, look at this, it's already looking fantastic. And we're gonna add some salt and pepper here in just a moment, chat. Okay. And off it goes, chat. It is starting to cook, getting that seasoning nice and good, so you'll notice right away that as you're stirring it over and over, it just gets thinner and thinner, and that's exactly what we want. Now it's time to add the onions. Listen, add the onions early, okay? 2 or 3 minutes after this goes, add the onions so they can cook, right? You want to make sure they get in there, get nice and cooked, nice and soft. Nobody really wants a hard onion when you bite into it, okay? So get that there and leave it just for a second. And now we're gonna get the salt and pepper, okay? Just a little bit here. The salt and the pepper. Boom, boom, boom. And then we're gonna go ahead and add a little bit more onion powder, chat. We're gonna go ahead and add just a little bit more onion powder to it. Boom. Now we're gonna sit here and we're gonna stir it in. We are gonna stir it in. Now you're gonna see it, right? You're gonna want some pepper into this. But when this is going and it is just settling, chat, oh my gosh, I'm not kidding. The onion, while this is cooking and the onions are getting softer, the pepper, the salt, it's sitting there marinating. What I'm gonna be doing while this is cooking, I'm gonna take the chicken, take it out, I'm gonna shred it, nice thin strips, and then we're gonna put it in there, which we'll be back for that. And then we'll add the carrots and we'll add the dumplings here in just a few moments. We'll come right back. And chat, you can see the onions already starting to float. The pepper, it's just so good, chat. Unlimited taste. I'm so excited. All right, next. Now, we just pulled the chicken. We're gonna let it set. I'm gonna cut it up here in just a moment. But next comes the biscuits, baby. So listen to me. You're gonna take that whole can of biscuits, usually 8 thick biscuits here. Flaky the better, buttery the better. Come on over. We're gonna pinch it off. Now listen. A lot of people like to take it, pinch it, right? Just a little ball. You want to make sure they're small because you want to make sure they're done. You don't want them all gloopy and shit. A lot of people will put it in flour and then put it in there. Truthfully, if you're not good at remembering to stir, I recommend the flour. If you're good and on top of it, you're fine. Take it, pinch it, peel it all off, right? We're just gonna take a couple small things here. You wanna make sure these are well cooked. This is really the main part of this because again, if you get it and it's all stringy, not done, a little doughy, it can really take out a lot of the flavor for it, right? So we're gonna add this biscuit, take that pinch, piece by piece. You're gonna see them floating to the top. Make sure you stir it. Every maybe 2-3 minutes. I get that maybe a little excessive. Spread it out, kind of fill it yourself. Especially if it's a gas stove, you're gonna want to make sure when those flames hit it, they don't get stuck to the bottom. That can really ruin it. But I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna take the plate, pour it in there, and then we'll be back to add the chicken and the carrots, baby. Stay tuned. Oh, baby. Welcome back, guys. All right, it is time to check in on our pot and see how our dumplings are doing. So let's take a look at it right now. And we're gonna pop this baby open. Bam! Oh my! Look at those babies! So chat, this is why I told you, pinch them really, really small. Look how big they've actually become from those small pinches. And you can see they're not sticking together. As long as you continue to stir, you're in great shape. Make sure you're getting the bottom stirring really good here. But now, it is time to add the chicken and the carrots. So let me get the chicken here. As you can see, the chicken is well cut up, ready to go. Just take it and just push it in, baby. Just push it all right in there. Boom, boom, boom. Perfect, perfect. Perfect. Now we're just gonna stir it in. Nice and good. And last but not least, we're gonna take our carrots. And we did roughly about 2 cups of carrots right here is what we did. That's plenty, truthfully. Get the shredded kind. If you like to get them and cut them up yourself, that's cool too. But this is gonna be a good shape, chat. So listen to me. Continue to stir. Roughly, your choice on how long to leave it. I'm gonna leave it another 25 minutes, stirring every roughly about 5 minutes, and then you're gonna let it sit. And then when we come back, I'm gonna show you the final product. And then just an amazing taste that it's gonna be. I'll be right back, chat. Welcome back, chat. Oh my gosh, does this not look good? If you could smell the flavor, baby, you would be so excited. Now, obviously it's really, really hot, so we're probably about to burn the hell out of our mouth. But I cannot wait anymore to try this chicken and dumpling. So as you saw, we've added some cheese right there in the middle there. I recommend you do that. I like to do that. It just kind of adds a little extra flavor with the butter. We've got the onion in there. We've got the carrot. We add a little bit of garnish there. We're ready to go, chat. Let's do it, right? We've got our sweet tea ready to go. You know our southern style. We got to have that sweet tea. I love it, okay? Let's get it. I'm going to stir in my cheese. Make it all good here. Oh, my gosh. The smell, chat. Look at this. Look at the chicken in there. You got the dumplings in there. You got the carrot, the onion. Chat, I'm telling you right now, this is one of my favorites. Here we go. Time to burn my mouth. Get me a chicken. Gotta get me a dumpling here. There's our winner. I'm so scared. I know it's gonna burn. Chat, once again, baby, just a banging good in the Galactic Kitchen. Chat, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment. Let me know what you did. Try it out. Let me know how it turned out. If you have any questions, I'm here for you. I love you guys. I'll talk to you soon. Oh, God, so good.